Welcome to Simple Watch Talks and to this short video where we'll be unboxing the Casio WS-1500. Let's get right into it. So we have our black standard Casio box. The watch is here. We also have the instructions manual. So here's the watch. Here's the reference number. And that is it. It looks very sturdy. It's G-Shock like, but it has a few differences from other G-Shocks. I'm not gonna go over everything in this video because I'm also gonna release a full review of it soon. But for now, let's get to the most obvious stuff. It's around 50 millimeters in diameter. It is expected to wear big. What's actual fun or interesting about this watch is its features. As you can see here, it says fishing gear. This is a watch that can be used actually by fishermen to understand what are the best times to go fishing. And that is why we have a circle here that is supposed to represent the moon phases, and also this indicator here that is supposed to indicate when is the best time to go fishing. Here we have an analog looking digital display of the time. We have the time at the bottom as well. Numbers look pretty good, pretty legible, I would say. It shows 100 meters of water resistance. I would say that is more than sufficient for any water-related activities. This is more of an acrylic shield, so that will be interesting to look at once we review the watch. And the strap is a little bit on the stiff side compared to the other straps I experienced from Casio, so it's pretty stiff, but we'll see how it wears. There's the case back held with 4 screws. We have the light, which I expect would not be spectacular at the price point, as this watch is retailing for around $29 on Amazon. In terms of the buttons, I would say pretty clickable. They don't really require a lot of effort, which is nice. It says 10 years battery life, so that's encouraging. Quite interesting looking watch. I can't wait to experience it for a few days and then I'll release a full review. It's not really an expensive watch and I wanted to have something like this in my collection for a long time. If you like this video or this video was informative, please leave a like. Also consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date with the new videos I'm releasing in the future. If you'd like to see other special Casio watches, I'll leave a few videos for you here. Thank you for watching.